Linear functions are always straight lines. It is a relationship between the x and y values. The differences of successive y values are always equal.
The parent function of a linear equation is f of x equals x. This line always goes through the origin.
The equation for a linear function is in the form y equals mx plus b. M is the slope and b is the y-intercept.
Here is an example of a linear equation. In this example, the equation is y equals 10x. For every hour the car drives, it travels 10 miles.
As you can see, the spaces between each point on the graph are equal. By plugging in x, you can find y. For example, by plugging in 4 as x, you get 40 as your y value.
Here is another example of a linear equation. In this case, y equals 5x. For every 2 tickets sold, you pay $10.
As the x value, the number of tickets sold increases, the y value, the price, also increases.
In this example of a bike ride, Remy's distance increases as her time increases. This also would represent a linear function.
Here's an example of a nonlinear equation. If graphed, the line would not be constant or straight.
Here is another example of a nonlinear equation. Bouncing a basketball is not consistent, and when graphed, it does not create a straight line.
Direct variation equations are also linear functions. The only difference is that the line always passes through the origin. All solutions to the equation are found on the line.
In this linear equation, the line does not go through the origin. The equation of this graph is y equals negative 3x plus 1. Negative 3 is the slope, and 1 is the y-intercept.
Just know that linear equations always have a straight line and are consistent.